Welcome back to Talk Nest English. I'm Mark.
And I'm Jenny. Thank you so much for coming back and learning English with us again.
We are really happy you are here.
Today's lesson is going to be very useful because we will talk about get, got, and getting.
Yes, by the end of this lesson, you will know the meaning of each word, the difference between them, where we use them, which tense they are common in, easy sentence patterns, positive sentences, negative sentences, questions, WH questions, daily English examples, spoken English, common mistakes, and simple practice together.
Don't worry if these words confuse you.
Exactly. Many English learners feel the same, but today, everything will become much easier.
So, let's begin.
First, let's look at the word get.
I hear this word all the time.
That's right. Get is one of the most common words in English.
But it has many meanings.
Yes, and that is why many beginners feel confused.
So, what does get mean?
Great question. Get can mean receive, become, buy, bring, arrive, understand, or obtain something. The meaning depends on the sentence.
Wow, one word with many meanings.
Exactly. Let's learn them one by one.
I'm ready.
First meaning, receive.
Can you give an example?
Of course. I get many emails every day.
So, get means receive.
Exactly.
Another one?
She gets a birthday card every year.
Easy.
Now another meaning. Get can mean buy.
Really?
Yes, I need to get some milk.
So you need to buy milk.
That's correct.
Can I say, I will get a new phone next month?
Perfect.
Nice.
Another meaning is become.
This one is very common too.
Yes, I get tired after work.
Here, get means become tired.
Exactly.
Can I say, she gets angry very quickly?
Very good.
This is easier than I thought.
Now another meaning. Get can mean arrive.
Example?
Of course. I usually get home at 6.
So it means arrive home.
Exactly.
Can I say, what time do you get to school?
Perfect English.
Good.
Now let's look at the tense.
Yes, please.
Get is the base form.
So we often use it in the present.
Exactly.
Can you show some sentence patterns?
Sure. Subject plus get plus object. For example, I get good ideas. We get fresh bread every morning. They get many messages.
What about he and she?
Great question. With he, she, and it, we say gets.
So I say, she gets up early.
Exactly.
He gets good grades.
Perfect.
It gets cold at night.
Very nice.
Let's make a mistake.
Go ahead.
She get up early
Almost correct. We say she gets up early.
because she needs gets.
Exactly.
Many students forget the S.
I'll remember that.
Now let's make some negative sentences.
Do we use don't? Yes. I don't get many emails.
We don't get much rain.
Correct.
They don't get enough sleep.
Excellent.
What about he and she?
Then we use doesn't get. She doesn't get up late. He doesn't get angry easily. It doesn't get very hot here.
Can I say, she doesn't gets up early?
Good mistake. Many students say that. The correct sentence is, she doesn't get up early.
So after doesn't, we always use the base word.
Exactly.
Very easy rule. Now questions.
Sure. Do you get enough sleep?
Yes, I do.
Do they get free lunch?
No, they don't.
Does she get nervous?
Sometimes she does.
Very good.
Can we ask WH questions too?
Of course. Where do you get coffee?
I get coffee at the cafe.
What do you get for breakfast?
I get eggs and toast.
When do you get home?
Around 7.
Excellent.
I think our viewers are doing great.
I agree. If you are watching, pause the video and make one sentence with get.
Then write it in the comments.
We would love to read your examples.
Now let's move to got.
Yes, got is the past form of get.
So it talks about the past.
Exactly.
Can you give an example?
I got a gift yesterday.
Yesterday tells us it happened in the past.
Correct.
Another one?
She got a new job last month.
He got home late.
Perfect.
We got tickets for the concert.
Excellent.
Can got also mean became?
Yes. Listen carefully. I got tired after the game.
So I became tired.
Exactly.
She got sick last week.
Correct.
The weather got colder.
Very nice.
Can it also mean received?
Yes. Listen carefully. I got your message.
She got an email.
Exactly.
Can it also mean buying?
Yes. I got a new bag yesterday.
They got new shoes.
Perfect.
Let's learn the pattern.
Very simple. Subject plus got plus object. I got a prize. She got a letter. They got good news.
Easy.
Now let's make negative sentences.
Do we say didn't got?
Great question. No. We say, I didn't get the message.
Not didn't got.
Exactly. After didn't, always use get.
Let me try. She didn't get my email.
Perfect.
We didn't get any food.
Very good.
He didn't get the answer.
Excellent.
Now I'll make a mistake.
Go ahead.
He didn't got the job.
Many learners say that. The correct sentence is, he didn't get the job.
Because after didn't, we use get.
Exactly. That is an important rule.
Now questions.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did.
Did she get home safely?
Yes, she did.
Did they get enough time?
No, they didn't.
Excellent.
Can we ask WH questions?
Of course. Where did you get that book?
I got it from the library.
When did you get home?
I got home at 9.
Why did you get upset?
Because I lost my keys.
Very good.
Now I understand get and got much better.
That's wonderful. Now let's talk about getting.
I hear people say, I'm getting ready.
Exactly. That is one of the most common uses.
So what is getting?
Getting is the ing form of get.
When do we use it?
Most often with the verb be. For example, I am getting ready. She is getting better. They are getting stronger.
So it shows something is happening now or is changing.
Exactly. Very good.
Let's see more examples.
I'm getting hungry.
So I am becoming hungry.
Correct.
He is getting tall.
Yes.
The weather is getting warmer.
Excellent.
Can getting also mean receiving something?
Yes. Listen carefully. I'm getting many phone calls today.
So I am receiving many phone calls.
Exactly.
She is getting a lot of messages.
Perfect.
Can I say, we are getting good at English?
Absolutely. That means your English is improving.
I like that sentence.
I hope everyone watching can say the same soon.
Let's give our viewers a quick challenge.
Great idea. Make one sentence with getting.
Use I am getting,
For example, I am getting better at English.
or I am getting more confident.
Great job, everyone. Now, let's learn more about getting in daily English.
Yes, I hear people use getting every day.
That's true. It is very common in spoken English.
Can you give us more examples?
Of course. I'm getting dressed.
I am putting on my clothes.
Exactly.
She is getting ready for work.
They are getting into the car.
Very good. The baby is getting sleepy.
Perfect.
My English is getting better.
Excellent sentence.
So getting often shows a change.
Yes, something is changing little by little.
Can it also show an action happening now?
Exactly. For example, I am getting my bag.
She is getting some water.
We are getting dinner.
Everything is happening now.
That's right.
Now let's compare all 3 words together.
Good idea. Listen carefully. Every day I get up at 7. Yesterday I got up at 8. Right now I'm getting ready.
That makes the difference very clear.
Let's try another one. I get many emails every week. Yesterday I got 10 emails. Today I'm getting many emails.
Present, past, and happening now.
Exactly.
Another one, please.
I get tired after work. Yesterday I got tired after walking. Right now I'm getting tired.
That is easy to remember.
Yes, think about the time.
Present is get,
Correct.
Past is got.
Exactly.
Happening now or changing is getting.
Perfect.
Now I want to make some mistakes.
That's a great way to learn.
Yesterday, I get a gift.
Almost correct. We should say yesterday I got a gift.
Because it happened yesterday.
Exactly.
Right now, I get ready.
Almost. We say I'm getting ready.
Because it is happening now.
Correct.
She getting better.
Good try. We need the helping verb. She is getting better.
So we cannot forget is.
Exactly.
He didn't got my message.
Many students make this mistake. The correct sentence is, he didn't get my message.
Because after didn't, we use get.
That's correct, Anna.
She get home late every day.
Almost. She gets home late every day.
Because she needs gets.
Exactly.
Let's practice together.
I'll say a sentence with a missing word. You choose get, got, or getting.
Sounds fun.
First one. Yesterday, I blank a new phone.
Got.
Correct. Second one. I blank home at 6 every day.
Get.
Excellent. Third one. The weather is blank colder.
Getting.
Perfect. Fourth one. We blank many visitors last weekend.
Got.
That's right. Fifth one. She is blank ready for school.
Getting.
Excellent. I think our viewers are doing very well. I think so too. If you answered all of them correctly, great job.
And if you made a mistake, don't worry.
Every mistake helps you learn.
Let's practice with short conversations.
I'll start. Where do you get your coffee?
I get it from the cafe near my house.
Nice. When did you get home yesterday?
I got home around 8.
What are you getting now?
I'm getting some tea.
Excellent.
Let's do another one.
Sure. Are you getting hungry?
Yes, I am getting hungry.
What did you get for lunch yesterday?
I got a chicken sandwich.
What do you usually get for lunch?
I usually get rice and vegetables.
Wonderful.
These words really appear in everyday English.
Yes, they do. You will hear them at work,
At school,
in shops,
at restaurants,
at the airport.
and when talking with friends.
Exactly. That is why learning these words is so important.
Can you give us a simple memory trick?
Of course. Remember these 3 simple ideas. Get is for the base form and is often used for the present.
Got is for the past.
Getting is for something happening now or for change.
That is very easy to remember.
Let's say it together.
Get,
Present or base form.
got,
Past.
getting.
Happening now or changing.
Perfect.
Now, let's make one complete example. Every morning, I get up at 7. Yesterday, I got up at 8. Today, I'm getting ready early because I have an important meeting.
That sounds very natural.
Yes, and native English speakers use sentences like these every day.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and make 3 sentences.
One sentence with get,
1 sentence with got,
one sentence with getting.
then write them in the comments.
We love reading your examples.
And if you see another learner's comment,
Give them some encouragement. Learning English is more fun together.
absolutely.
Before we finish, let's do one quick revision.
Great idea.
Get is the base form. We often use it for the present. Example, I get up early.
Got is the past form. Example, I got up late yesterday.
Getting is the ing form. We often use it with am, is, or are. Example, I am getting ready.
We also learned positive sentences,
Negative sentences,
questions,
WH questions,
daily English examples,
common mistakes.
lots of practice.
Exactly. Keep using these words every day. Read them, write them, speak them, listen for them in English videos and conversations.
Little by little, your English will become stronger.
Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It is about practicing again and again.
Every small step is progress.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We really enjoyed spending this time with you.
If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to Talk Nest English so you never miss a new English lesson.
Don't forget to like this video
Share it with your friends and family who are learning English.
and write your own get, got, and getting sentences in the comments.
We can't wait to read them.
Keep practicing
Keep smiling.
and keep speaking English every single day.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning.